I'm Rita Daftari, and together with Nora Engel, we teach qualitative methods in global infectious diseases research at McGill Summer Institute.
The course is really an introduction into qualitative methods and how they can be of use and applied in infectious disease research and implementation. And it's basically an introductory course into all the basic steps that you have to do when you want to pursue such a research project. So we have a day that we start out with qualitative methods design. We talk about the role of theory, about how to ask qualitative research questions, and then we go into data collection. Then we've reserved 2 days for how to do analysis, how to gain deeper levels in analyzing data and having critical sort of results or critically analyzing qualitative data. And then lastly, we talk about dissemination.
We focus on global health, so how to use qualitative methods in global health settings, in resource-limited settings.
I think that what really stood out for me as an individual was the practical exercises that we had at the end of every session. I think that was really an excellent way of kind of like sharing knowledge. And also after a session of sharing and teaching and QA, the ability to kind of like put in practice what you have just learned, that was really excellent. It stood out for me.
We develop a proposal, so every participant in the course will have worked on creating a qualitative research proposal. By the end of the 5 days, we'll present it to the audience and get feedback from our expert faculty. The idea is that they will take this proposal forward and implement it over the subsequent year.
All the faculty that we have is very much doing qualitative research in infectious control as well. And there are different kinds of qualitative researchers. So they represent also all the possible ways in which qualitative research can be useful for infectious disease control. We typically are interested in a wide range of people who want to either gain more confidence in doing qualitative methods, deepen their knowledge in the different types of approaches, or who are primer to this area and want to add this to their research portfolio, or want to be able to supervise people or fund people doing this kind of work.
I do think that this offers a fertile ground for new scientific discoveries and new research partnerships going forward.